Starting down in beautiful Dundas Valley on a very, very hot day. Gonna go head over to Tews Falls. Should be a great hike. Let's get at it. I may notice I more than likely won't run into any people on this hike, which has its pros and cons. I'm not antisocial, I just prefer not to be around people. So that's definitely a pro. The con is they're not down here because it's illegal to be. Think about that. I rant about it every time I come to one of these waterfalls. The city of Hamilton and the surrounding area is the waterfall capital of the world. They use this to promote tourism for more than a decade. A couple people fell while hiking, hurt themselves. They've now closed them off to the public. I say you're not going to hear or see people. That's people up on the top of the escarpment in the approved areas by the city. Anyways, a couple people hurt themselves, had to be rescued out of the valleys where the waterfalls are. The city banned it. They said it's a $400 fine for hiking down here. I'm somebody who's been hiking these waterfalls for pushing 20 years. I'm not going to stop because there's a risk of a $400 fine. I'm not going to stop because other people hurt themselves. I've been doing it almost 20 years. Been fine. And if I hurt myself, I'll take responsibility for that. It's nonsense. Pure and utter nonsense. You're not allowed to go into nature. Silliness. But hey, that's government. Rant over. Get back to enjoying this nature. It is quite the hike. It's a lot of ups and downs, a lot of rocks. It's difficult terrain. But it's an awesome hike. It's not for everyone. I love it. Sweating like crazy though, holy. I'm gonna stink after this one. Oh, that was perfect. Get some slippery mud. And some uphill now. All right. I honestly, even though I don't want to run into people, I hope we do. Because I hope I'm not the only one saying screw you to your silly bylaws. I know there's lots of other people online talking about how they've racked up fines. I haven't gotten a single one yet. Imagine I will. Hopefully it's not this time. Actually, some people down here. That's awesome. It's so long since I've been down here, I almost went the wrong way. The creek splits off. One way is Websters Falls and one way is Twos. I want to go to Twos. More people. Good. That is lower Twos there, and there's like no water. I think I might do a change of plans. Go over to Websters. Looked like there was more water flow there. Oh, there's some water. Actually, looks pretty nice. Family down here hanging around the rocks. Lots of people down here. Many times when you come down here, it's water across that whole rock face. Not so much today, but this is better than no water flow. See how close we can get. Really putting this gimbal to the test. Whew. Oh yeah, we're gonna go back in behind. Whew. Oh yeah. Amazing. Whew. Gonna go back around out front of it, get some photos, put the drone up. Oh, what an awesome hike. Well worth it. Whew. Sitting down, covered in sweat, gonna get the drone up, hoping it has enough satellites. Last time I flew a drone down over by Twos Falls, it took quite the crash. It's saying it has enough satellites, so here we go. Let's see if we can get it out there. Wow. Yeah, I'm a sweaty mess, but it feels amazing. I'm gonna start heading out of here. We made it to the waterfall, no issues from bylaw. Saw quite a few people down here regardless of the rules. Some good old civil disobedience. I love it. Gonna hike back out of here, see what we see on our way out. Oh, what a great time. Made it back to where the crossing is to go to Tews Falls or Websters in the creek. From here on out on this side, it's a very easy trail. So I'm going to call this video here. What an awesome adventure. Oh, still a sweaty mess. More than worth it. Let me know what you all think in the comments. Let me know what you think of that waterfall. And if you want me to continue going to waterfalls, because there's more than 100 of them around here. And I'm going to be going. So if you guys want me to, I'll film every one I go to. Yeah, let me know in the comments. And as always, I'll see you on the next adventure.